Hi guys, this is TechTube. Today I'm going to show how to install a perfect Gcam for your mobile. Yeah, you all may know the Google has released the Gcam application only for the Pixel. You all may use that. The compatible version is suitable for your mobile also. How to do it? Yeah. For that you need to enter into your Play Store and download the application called Gcam. Yeah, it's here. I'm already downloaded the application. Just enter into the application. Yeah, the interference of the application is look like this. At the bottom layer you may see a 3 icon. Enter into your center icon. It's I type icon, your Gcam. It's checking for the device is compatible or not. Yeah, it's a device manufacturer is Xiaomi. My model is Redmi Note 8 Pro and the Android version is 9. Yeah, that's what it's showing. Yeah, this device is compatible, so that the install icon is there. If whether it's not there, just enter into the Gcam database and search your mobile is here or not. It's showing all your mobile has been indicated in the database. Just choose it and download it from there. Yeah, I'm going to install that. Yeah, after tapping the install icon, your download will be in the processing. Yeah, after processing the download, just open the app and install it. Yeah, now the camera Gcam is installing in my device. It will take some time to install because it's a customized version. Yeah, now it's scanning. Yeah, your camera is installed. Just see how is it. Yeah, this is the camera Gcam. I'm going into it. Allow the access. It's a general access. Yeah, it's a perfect camera Gcam. It's look like that. This is how we need to install our Gcam in your device. Thank you for watching. For more, subscribe, TechTube.